Imagine sinking your fork into tender slices of corned beef, perfectly poached eggs, and an A1 hollandaise sauce for a little twist to celebrate St. Patty's Day. We're going to use an indirect heat to make our hollandaise sauce. We're going to whisk the butter and the egg yolks in a heat-resistant glass or ceramic bowl set over a sauce pan filled with about 1/2 inch of simmering water. While whisking the yolk mixture, slowly add boiling water. This is going to make the sauce less likely to break or separate. Add a dash of A1 steak sauce to give it a bold and playful flavor. Time to poach those eggs. First, we're going to season the water with a little bit of salt and some vinegar. The easiest way to add eggs at the same time is to put them in like a teacup. This allows them to cook at the same rate. You're going to cover the skillet and let them steam until the whites are set, but the yolks are still slightly runny. Draining the eggs on paper towels is really important. This will prevent the moisture from making our muffins getting too soggy. Now it's time to assemble the Irish Eggs Benedict. Tender slices of corned beef delicately arranged atop a toasted English muffin, along with that perfectly poached egg and a tangy sauerkraut surprise just underneath that. Then we're going to add that A1 steak sauce, giving it that bold and playful flavor that'll have you dancing a little jig.